Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And firstly what we can do is to check software version, so open the application, click on your earbuds and then go to the settings. Then click update firmware and it check. It said that I have the last version. If you haven't, install a new one and maybe it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and now put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold at this button at the charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flash 3 times white rapidly. Here we go, now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon. Or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and after a hard reset, this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.